Welcome to today's Gyan Genit's 5 QAD section of current affairs. First of all, happy Independence Day to all our viewers. Let us see which are the 5 questions today. First one, Indian Women Army officer who will assist Prime Minister in unfurling the national flag during Independence Day function is Major Richa Jain, Major Purba Agarwal, Major Disha Bhatt, Major Shweta Pandey. And the right option is Major Shweta Pandey. Major Shweta Pandey carried the tricolour and led a first ever tri-services Indian Armed Forces contingent in the Victory Day Parade of Russia at Red Square, Moscow in June 2020. She is a B.Tech in computer science. In the academy, she won Garhwal Rifles Medal for topping in tactics. The second one, first Indian startup to test upper stage rocket engine is Space Center, Skyroot Aerospace, Indian Space Up, Sky Venture. And the right option is Skyroot Aerospace. Skyroot Aerospace is a Hyderabad-based first private space launch startup. This was founded by former scientists of ISRO. They have successfully test fired that engine named Raman, and they are into building India's first privately built space launch vehicles. Third one, AIM is a flagship initiative set up by Niti Aayog, Planning Commission, National Informatics Center, Ministry of Culture. And the right option is Niti Aayog. What is AIM? AIM is full form is Atal Innovation Mission. It is a flagship initiative set up by Niti Aayog. This has been started to promote innovation and entrepreneurship. This is an umbrella innovation organization, and it would play an instrumental role in alignment of innovation policies between central, state, and sectoral innovation schemes. Recently, on 14th August, AIM, in collaboration with NASSCOM, launched an AI-based module for school students to drive innovations. Fourth one, who is the present Secretary General of United Nations? Antonio Guterres, Kofi Annan, Ban Ki-moon, U Thant. And the right option is Antonio Guterres. He is from Portugal and he is the current Secretary General of United Nations. He is the ninth occupant of this post. He took office on 1st January 2017. The UN Charter describes the Secretary General as Chief Administrative Officer of United Nations. The last question of today's Q&A section is, official sponsor for the Indian Olympic team at Tokyo Olympics 2020 will be Inox Group, M&M, Lodha Group, Tata. And the right option is Inox Group. Inox Group inked a sponsorship agreement with IOA, and they will sponsor our official Olympic team in Tokyo Olympics 2020, which was deferred to the year 2021 and now will be held from July 23 to August 8, 2021. The official mascot is Mirai Toa. We hope you like this section. Keep watching for more 5 QAD section.